Hello folks, this is your Earthgardner. Today I will show you how to grow sweet strawberries with a simple ANS easy technique. Buy some ripe strawberries from the market. The strawberries, which have dark brown to black seeds, are ideal for our use. Strawberry seeds are found on the outer skin of the fruit. You can collect them in order to grow your own strawberries. Peel the strawberry skin using a sharp knife. Don't cut too deep into the fruit, and be very careful not to injure yourself. Place these strips of skin on a clean piece of tissue paper. Gently press the skins into the tissue paper. Press the soil mix gently with your hand to level the surface. Spread the strips on tissue paper and allow them to dry. Place them under full sunlight for 2 to 3 days to dry completely. After 3 days, the skins are fully dry, and at this stage, we can easily remove seeds from them. Gently rub the seeds off using your fingers. As you run your finger across the skin, the seeds will come off. Now, take a medium-sized pot with holes at the bottom for drainage. Ensure they have proper drainage holes at the bottom. Cover the holes using small stones to ensure proper drainage. The stones help water drain freely while keeping the potting mix in place. To germinate the seeds, we will use a mix of 70% cocoa peat and 30% compost. It's advisable to mix in 1 tablespoon of fungicide powder to prevent any rot issues. Fill the pot with this soil mixture. Now, fill the pot with the soil mixture. Using a gardening tool, carefully remove the seedlings, keeping the root ball intact. We will plant 1 seedling per pot. This way, they have enough space to grow freely. Now, scatter the strawberry seeds over the soil surface. 1 seedling per pot, this way, they will have enough room to grow healthy. Water thoroughly after transplanting. Now, cover the roots with soil, ensuring the crown stays above the soil surface. Cover the pot using plastic wrap. The plastic will help retain moisture and keep the seeds damp until they germinate. Remove the plastic wrap once the seeds begin to sprout. Place the pot in full sunlight. Seedlings are ready for transplanting once they've developed 3 to 4 true leaves. Well, when the seedlings reach this size, you can transplant them into individual cells for better growth. Strawberry seeds can germinate in as few as 12 days or take up to 32 to 35 days. So be patient. Strawberries need 5 to 7 hours of full sunlight for healthy development, and 8 to 24 degrees Celsius is the best temperature range for them. 6 to 8 inch diameter pots work well for planting. For final planting, we'll use a mix of 50% garden soil, 30% compost, and 20% cocoa peat. Place the root ball into the hole. Press the soil around the base using your fingers to provide support. After planting, water the plant right away. Keep the pots under direct sunlight and water whenever the soil begins to. Every 18 to 20 days, apply fertilizer to support plant growth. Make a small hole away from the stem and add 1/2 tablespoon of mustard cake powder into it. You can also use NPK or other suitable fertilizers. Fruits are usually ready to harvest 3 to 4 weeks after flowering. Once the strawberries turn red, they're ready to harvest. Simply cut them by the stem, avoid pulling the fruit, as it may harm the plant. Pick strawberries as soon as they're ripe and red. Fruits left sitting on the soil too long will rot. And if birds are getting to your harvest before you, consider adding bird netting over your plants. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel.